3 things every cat owner does but won't admit.
If you don't speak, does that mean we're through? Don't like sneaky shit that you do.
Taking out gunk from their eyes. Shoving yummy ears in your mouth. Scraping their smelly poop. The petsnowy Smart Litter Box will do it for you. My big fluffy cat got used to it so quickly. It cleans his pee and poo. All clumping litter works. It has a private walkway that will capture any litter stuck to your cat's paws. No more litter tracking. It's also perfect at keeping all the bad smell away. I only have to change this waste drawer every 2 weeks, and everything is app controlled. Check out petsnowy Smart Litter Box.